Good job.
Hey, great play. Great play. Hunter, great play, man.
Silverado, first and 10 at their own. Go.
On at a punt return of 45 yards. It was all about the defense for Sierra Vista, mainly in the first half. No scoring. Their quarterback, Terrence Massaniga, was scrambling for his life, it looked like. Basic put a couple of drives together. Here's the first touchdown of the night.
Pass intended for number 1 is incomplete.
Can't get a first down without a score. Massaniga short, quick drop, and he is under pressure and taken down.
Robert.
In a hurry. Yes, it was.
Right? Yeah.
Came on the blitz from the left side.
Sylvia and David, yeah, I mean, that's tremendous. No 8-gap pressure right there. Coach Cahill calls the defense.
On first down, Anthony Vega.
That's Boston Ren with
That's a big
carry.
run, yeah. Give it to Ren.
It'll be 2nd and 5.
Come on, Moses.
Number 23, Elijah Nieves with the tackle for the Gators.
Takes the ball around the right-hand side. After a gain of 1. Going to bring up 2nd down and 9 for the Skyhawks. Good job.
First and 10 at the 40.
go. All fucking day. Good fucking call. All fucking day. Let's lock in. Let's win now.
2nd and 10 here for the Wolves. Vega fakes the handoff. The RPO. He keeps it in another big.
You got a next time, Frankie?
Gators are down by 9.
Hey, they're going to give us another one. I need another one. I could have had number 3 right there. I got 2. Okay.
I'm not gonna lie, I jogged. Hey, let's go, boys. Let's go. You want off
I think you would have scored had you kept the bounds.
Talk about Antoine Taylor at defense. He's also done a nice job offensively. Sean, what are you pointing out?
I just thought Dylan Shaw doing a good job lead blocking. You know, Vegas right on his hip.
14-yard
You
line.
talk to her.
Lineman all.
1st and 10 at the
Good
40.
looking guys, but you can tell the all-season wait for.
Mother Nature came in and just washed them out. So
You want to play. And here's a nice pass. Vega hits this guy on the move.
It's on the board. Doing this stuff. What do you want? Oh, well, we don't understand.
Number 1, Tristan Hudson.
I'm going here. Sean, exactly what we kind of expected. And you mentioned, Byron, that this was going to be an important drive, and they've answered the call.
I'll call her tribe. Alright, take care.
He was really high. Like, he has a really good feel for playing.
Great comparison. 3 wide receivers left. Mesnica could be double pass. No. Wide receiver screen. Defended well by Basic. Pushed out of bounds at the 40.
it's Carson City in the passing game. Really got open in space and made some big plays for the offense.
Talk.
Drop. Make it up, boy.
Handoff to Torres.
Kenny, I just go for 2 every time.
Yeah, I hear you. I don't know if I would punt. I'd go every time an onside kick.
DJ in the back. Go.
Vega fakes the handoff. Quarterback keeper.
Pass intended for number 81 is in.
Down a point.
Yes, they've made some great adjustments on defense. That pass is complete out to the 30. It is going to be a first down.
You know, the Wolves season kind of revolves around Anthony Vega's ability to do this on 3rd down. Can he find an open guy? Can he convert 3rd downs and keep drives going?
Trey Traylor with the catch, number 2. And that was a big first down.
DJ, Big D. Big Governor covering DJ now?
down there. She's on the sideline. She's gotten to see it up close. You mentioned Mr. Vega, probably over 120, 130 yards a night running the football. Made some key throws on third downs.
Boston Matt.
The Gators are down by 2, 17-19.
Let's go! Let's counter! Counter! Pass! Why are we so deep off of that? There we go.
Quarterback Anthony Vega.
Little hezzy right there. Hit him with the hezzy and then accelerated up the sideline. Lower the pass.
Great look here, right from your living room into the 7-yard line when that quarterback has. I think he is pressured from the middle, throws right.
actually a really good defensive.
Fasten your seatbelts. Cinca throws end zone, intercepted it at the 1 and taken out to the 11. Back-to-back turnovers.
And that's why there's back-to-back plays. So, because it's only a 1-point game, Kenny.
Right.
You know, and you know what I think about field goal kickers at the high school level. No offense, but at least you're in position to try it. You know, so you got to throw that one out the back of the end zone.
Good after that last interception. Probably feels a little bit better now. The Jets.
Run, Quay, run! What's out there? It don't matter. No. Let it go! Let it go!
Number 2, Trey Taylor.
One second to go, and we're going to look for a Hail Mary here. Methniga steps up, throws it into the end zone. Intercepted. Slide and get out on the field. That was Whiters again with his second pick of the game.
That's awesome.
Basic Wolves.
There's the hardware. Congratulations to the Wolves tonight and to Marion Matthews. It's hard. It's only one MVP. There were several guys that could have added. We had our quarterback, Anthony Vega, played one heck of a game. Well over 100 rushing yards tonight. Outstanding job by him. But outside.
You don't get to hold that when you're shaking hands. Put that shit down. Coach!
I'd also like to thank our student athletes for the outstanding effort both in the classroom and on the field.
Put that down. Go shake hands, man. There you go, sir. You did it, buddy. You did it.